Good morning students, I am Shomajit sir. Today I am here to deliver my lecture on topic different patterns of crop, or we can also call it as cropping patterns. So this is from the chapter Improvement in Food Resources. So watch the entire video lecture to gain basics out of it. So without any delay, let's start with the topic cropping patterns. So let's start. So in topic cropping patterns or different cropping patterns we'll study here in this lecture. So you can see I have highlighted different patterns. I have given a very nice picture. See different cropping patterns. We'll discuss this in detail. So now what is a cropping pattern or what is crop pattern? Clear? See different patterns that are being followed to obtain maximum production from a crop land. Clear? This is called a cropping pattern or different patterns of planting of crops. And there are three types. One is mixed cropping, one is intercropping, another is crop rotation. Now I'll define first all of them. See cropping pattern. So first is mixed cropping. What is mixed cropping? It is a method of growing two or more crops simultaneously in the same field. Clear? And example is wheat, gram. So two crops, wheat and gram. Next, wheat plus mustard, two crops. Next, groundnut or sunflower and sunflower. Clear? So this reduces the risk even if one crop fails. Clear? If one crop fails, other will yield the fruit. Isn't it? So farmer can harvest. Next is intercropping. What is intercropping? It is a growing two or more crops simultaneously in the same field in alternate row. Here row is specified. Like example, maize and soybean, then millets and cowpea. Clear? So here crops with different nutrient requirements are selected. This helps in better use of minerals and prevents spreading of diseases to all, that means to all plants of the same crop. Clear? Last is crop rotation. So it is a method of growing different crops in the same field in successions. Clear? Growing leguminous crops after growing cereal crops helps to increase the soil fertility. If crop rotation is done properly, two or three crops can be grown in a year profitably. Clear? So we'll see like mixed cropping. See, so I've given the examples, I've given the definitions. You see here wheat and mustard, like groundnut and sunflower, like wheat and gram, like barley and chickpea. So these are the mixed cropping. So you can see the mixed cropping. See, so nicely figure has been given. See mixed, no separate row are there. They're mixed here and there. Clear? This is also same thing. See, one by one the crops are being planted. No separate rows are there. They're randomly done. Now advantage, what are the advantages of mixed cropping? It minimizes the risks of crop failure. Clear? And it facilitates the optimum utilization of soil, as well as it minimizes the damage caused by the pest. And last point is varieties of produce. That means variety to produce can be harvested at the same time. Clear? Varieties can be harvested. Like next is intercropping. I've said the definition. Clear? Is a practice of cultivating two or more crops in the same space at the same time in definite pattern, like few rows of one followed by few rows of other. Clear? So you can see in the diagram, see one row one crop, another line another crop. You can see. So what are the advantages of intercropping? You have seen the diagram very nicely. It has been given. See, I've highlighted. See, the darker green color is one crop and the both side two light green color is separate crop. This side also see. So what are the advantage of intercropping? It helps to maintain the fertility of the soil. It makes better use of resources. Each crops can be harvested, threshed and marketed separately. Application of pesticides and fertilizers. Application of pesticides and fertilizers is more convenient due to well-defined pattern of crops. Clear? Next, criteria for selection of crops for mixed cropping and intercropping. See, two or more crops chosen for mixed cropping as well as intercropping should be such that they have different nutrient requirements so that maximum utilization of the soil nutrients takes place. Also their water needs, rooting pattern etc must be different. Clear? Now what is crop rotation? Crop rotation is a policy of different That means it is a policy of growing different crops one after the another on the same field. Clear? If same crop is grown again and again on the same field, same nutrients are extracted from soil again and again, causing those nutrients to get depleted. Clear? So different crops should be planted to maintain the fertility of all essential nutrients in the soil. If I plant only one particular soil, then the nutrient that are being taken from the soil by that plant will be that means will be less, isn't it? If I plant one plant one year after the another, but if I do a crop rotation, that means one crop is over, then next crop I'll do in different crop, then the other nutrients will be saved, isn't it? So this is a crop rotation. You can see the figure given. See there, one crop, next another, they have given in circular format. All the crops, different crops are planted in one particular field, so the fertility of the soil can be remained. So what are the advantages of crop rotation? You can see fertility of soil is maintained for longer period. Clear? The chemical nature of soil is not altered. It helps in weed and pest control. It reduces the use of chemical fertilizers. Clear? So student, these are the homework questions. What are the question? What are the different types of cropping pattern? Define the following: mixed cropping, intercropping, and crop rotation. And last is, what are the advantages of mixed and intercropping? You'll write this in your fair copy. So you have seen the figure. See, very nicely I have given the figures. Very nice figure has been given. You should study this. Thank you, student. This was all about the entire lecture. We have discussed about the different patterns of cropping or cropping patterns from the chapter. This was from the chapter Improvement in Food Resources. So stay at home, stay safe. I am Shomji sir signing off for today, and again we'll meet in the next class. Thank you, students.